So to make a chatbot to connect to your customer service agent, it's a two-steps process. The first step is the start box, and second step is the agent box. Now let's edit the start box and see how it looks like. Title node is for your internal information, so you could say workflow for chat agent, and tick this box here so that the message will be triggered directly on any type of message. And then the next is chatbot. What do you want the chatbot to ask the user? So here you can mention, hi, how can we help you today? And coming down here, the next option is predefined options. Make it as choose an option menu, or you could even say chat with your agent. And add option, here you could say chat with an agent. That's it. You need to just save the node. After this, you have to connect the node with the agent box, select chat with the agent, and now we have to edit the agent box here. So what you can see here is you have an option to set your business working hours here. Accordingly, in a specific time can be chosen. Let's say you want 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So the best part here is you have like two options. One, give an auto reply during business hours, saying that by default the auto reply goes on saying thank you for contacting us, and we'll reply back to you shortly. And you could assign a workflow there itself to automatically respond back to your customers. And you have another option wherein you have an auto reply to also go during non-business hours, saying that we'll get in touch with you after so and so time is what your working hours is. And that's it, and simple as that. And the next option is to assign to an agent, a specific agent who would be handling your specific query, and save node. That's it. Now finally, you just need to click on save workflow and ensure the chatbot is on. Now let's see if this chatbot works. Let's do a test on the live platform. Over to that screen. Now let's see if the chatbot can actually trigger the messages that we type. Let me share the message right now and let's see how the chatbot responds. So here you see the menus are visible, and from the options we click on talk to agent. If you recall, this is the option that we already set in the chatbot in the first place. And let's see how it reacts to the next questions that we type. Specific requirement we select, and let's click on the specific request and see how the chatbot behaves. As you can see that here the chatbot has directly connected to a agent who has replied to our message. Thank you, and that's all for today. Have a great day.